Hello, my name is Dragon, and today I'll be bringing you episode 1 of my Space Marshals 2 Let's Play. Space Marshals is a top-down shooter. It's more of a stealth game than anything else, and I think I'll only be doing a few missions at a time. It's not a long game, though. So let's start. Long loading ensues. The outskirts of civilized space, a familiar shape emerges. The Artemis, Space Marshal vessel. Destination, Space Marshal HQ. Status, power preservation mode. I'm gonna go stay quiet for the intro. Idiots. I think that says enough there. So, it's time to start the tutorial. I'm not gonna be reading these. I'm sorry, but I just can't. I'll read some, but not all. Since I'll be playing in a stealth way, I'll be doing a lot of these. I've played Space Marshals a few times, so I do know how the game plays. However, I could also just suck like that. And that. And I'm going to apologize right now. I have terrible aim. Meanwhile, why were you in a box? That's what I want to know. I mean, I understand hiding, but there had to have been other places to hide that wasn't a box. That is a really fast crouch walking speed. The enemies here are sometimes blind. Suddenly, they've just realized we're here. It only took them forever to realize it. Overkill. Okay then, I'm just gonna... I'll go then. I'm not needed. Never seen that happen. Usually you actually have to fight them. I'm still sad that they don't give you any rewards for doing the tutorial mission. Alright, first mission. I won't really be able to do this in a stealth way because they've only given you a non-silenced pistol and a shotgun. But, meh. It's the first mission. They always send Burton to do everything. Run out of the way. Out of the way. Move it. Oh well. Ouch. The AI seems to be deaf sometimes. Deaf and blind, depends on what the situation is. That was the AI telling you to get better, to do better on each mission. you need to do all the objectives, not just the mandatory quest ones. Like this one, you have to kill everybody. I won't be picking up all the collectibles because they're not useful to me. Since the use of the collectible machine is premium only, and I don't feel like paying for premium. Also, doing perfect on each of the missions will get you a premium reward. Well, it gives you a bunch of rewards, and not dying once and doing all the objectives gives you a really nice reward that you can only get if you've paid for premium. So, I don't get access to that kind of stuff. End of mission 1. No deaths, luckily. This is that premium only reward I was talking about. Every mission has one. So, they don't seem that useful. Nah, they don't seem that useful. Since I'm going more of a stealth approach, I'll be taking things like rifles and silenced pistols. And maybe the silenced shotgun. The home base gives you an area to test all your weapons. Equip any armor you find. And basically just understand the game. I think from this point forward I'll start reading the text.
Casualties are climbing.
This game has a lot of cutscenes, so I mean a lot of ads, so I'll try and cut out all of them. This is as close as I can get you. The camp is just ahead. Good luck. Right, so the plan is to hit them where it hurts. Torch any ammunition supplies and ill-gotten loot. That should scare them off, or at least annoy them enough so they'll leave. Oh, and I've marked some especially bad guys with scary skull icons. Take them out if you get the chance. How nice of you. I'll keep that in mind. In the essence of not trying to attract every single AI's attention, I'm going to try and do a lot of stealth takedowns. This game likes to punish you for not keeping quiet. Like that. Of course, as long as you're crouching and you get behind them, you can do a stealth takedown. Funny thing about these ammunition boxes, when you torch them, all the ammo goes off. The game does give you plenty of opportunities to stealth take down your enemies. If you take any damage while trying to do this, you will immediately let go of the person you're trying to take down. So that is something to watch out for. Nope, nobody's there. Three enemies left. Four enemies left. I think I'm just not shooting. There we go. All that's left is to actually do the objective. From previous attempts of this game, I've learned that these ammo boxes hurt a lot, so you kind of want to get out of the way once you light them. Meanwhile, let me see if I got this right. You sack the Artemis and capture the Marshals, then you manage to let them escape, and now you expect payment in full? Well, that is the gist of it, but they don't get far, and no one leaves AP-55 without our say-so. Still, you clearly lost them. That's a breach of contract. We're executing Plan B. Good for you. Now, no one cheats the Rattlers out of a bounty. Pay up, or those fancy memory banks you wanted gets an acid bit. Pay up, or those fancy memory banks you wanted get an acid bath. There we go. End of mission 2. And I think this will probably be the end of the episode, since these missions can be kinda long. Silence pistol. Well, that's the end of episode 1, and I'll see you in the next episode. We'll probably do missions 3 and 4? Maybe 5? Yeah, 3, 4, and 5. Goodbye.